2025 Luxurious RVs, a review of opulence on wheels. Intro. Visuals, a montage of sleek, modern RVs driving through scenic landscapes. Narrator, welcome to the 2025 Luxurious RVs review. In this episode, we're taking you on a journey through the pinnacle of RV living. Join us as we explore the latest innovations in design, technology, and comfort that redefine the RV experience. Segment 1, Exterior Design and Features. Visuals, close-ups of RV exteriors, highlighting features like solar panels, awnings, and exterior entertainment systems. Narrator, let's start with the exterior. These RVs are not just homes on wheels, they're statements of style. Notice the sleek lines, the premium materials, and the thoughtful integration of technology. From solar panels for off-grid living to exterior entertainment systems for alfresco enjoyment, these RVs have it all. Segment 2, Interior Design and Comfort. Visuals, interior shots of RVs showcasing luxurious furnishings, gourmet kitchens, and spa-like bathrooms. Narrator, step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of comfort and sophistication. High-end finishes, custom cabinetry, and plush seating create an ambience that rivals the finest hotels. The gourmet kitchens are equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, and the bathrooms offer spa-like amenities. It's a home away from home, elevated. Segment 3, Technology and Innovation. Visuals, demonstrations of smart home features, advanced safety systems, and entertainment options. Narrator, technology has revolutionized the RV experience. These RVs are equipped with smart home features that allow you to control everything from lighting to appliances with your voice or smartphone. Advanced safety systems provide peace of mind on the road, while entertainment options keep everyone entertained. Segment 4, Off-grid capabilities and sustainability. Visuals, RVs parked in remote locations, showcasing their ability to function independently. Narrator, for those seeking adventure off the beaten path, these RVs offer exceptional off-grid capabilities. With powerful generators, solar panels, and efficient water systems, you can enjoy the freedom of the open road without compromising on comfort. Plus, many of these RVs incorporate sustainable features to minimize their environmental impact. Conclusion. Visuals, a final montage of RVs traveling through various landscapes. Narrator, the 2025 luxurious RVs are a testament to the evolution of RV living. From their stunning exteriors to their luxurious interiors and advanced technology, these RVs offer a truly exceptional experience. Whether you're a seasoned driver or a first-time traveler, there's an RV here to suit your lifestyle and your desire for adventure. Note, this script provides a general outline. You can customize it further by focusing on specific RV models, highlighting unique features, and incorporating interviews with RV enthusiasts or experts.